Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Focus Zetec S Sports ST. It's a facelift model. It's really price ranging because of the mileage, but the condition is absolutely fantastic. You would not think it's done the mileage. Absolutely lovely. It drives superb. Wheels are in outstanding immaculate condition. Bodywork really lovely. All our cars are kept in the indoor showroom. We just bring them out here for photos and video. Better light. Look at that boot area, not abused at all. Being the ST, we've got the lovely red stitching on the interior. Electric windows, ST line kick plate. It's 126,636 miles. Just push start. Starts up straight away, lovely. Got the multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, 6-speed gearbox, climate control. Car does have sync as well. Satellite navigation, touch screen. Bluetooth phone prep. Get back to home. Satellite navigation there. Sounds lovely. Looks great. This looks great value for money. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.